Welcome to my first day of my YouTube channel. It's going to be called Beyond the Gawler Line. What's that about? That's about an area in South Australia where there's a distinctive divide between the greener part of South Australia and the drier part of South Australia, as I've led to understand. I'm just about to embark on buying a restoration project there, and she needs some work, and against all my better judgment and friends, of course, I've decided to buy it, and I don't know where that's going to lead me. I definitely won't make any money, but I think that the experience is what I'm looking for, you know. So I'm here at my home in northern New South Wales in a town called Inverell. This is actually a rental that I own with a mate of mine, and we've just done a transaction where I've now taken ownership of the house. So this is going to be pretty well much one of my first projects in making my way to South Australia, where I'm going to basically start this project. So I considered it, and I thought, well, perhaps maybe I should wait until I'm actually there. When I'm actually in South Australia, when I'm working on the house, to start this channel. But I feel that this is really a journey, and it's a journey that I need to make to change. So I thought I'd start it right here, you know, right here at home. You can see from behind me, I'll give you a little bit of look. Yeah, she's a bit of a mess. I'm sort of got some stuff everywhere, and it's a bit half finished, the project. Excuse me for my bad phone, because I'm going to upgrade that especially for this. But you can see I've actually got a full room here that hasn't been renovated yet, so I've got to get that done first, you know. So all these projects I've had, and I also own a cafe in town. And I need to sort that out and get that all running by itself, or decide what I'm going to do for that for the future before I go to South Australia. So I hope this is interesting to you. It's going to be more about a change in attitude, a change in lifestyle, a change in health, a change in my well-being and my fitness. Along the way, I'm going to be restoring a beautiful old home, and you know, pecking away at these ones so I can get there. But let's see how it goes. Cheers.